everyone, I am Nicole Iroque from the Group 4. In this video, you will learn about the 4 remaining domains under the National Competency-Based Teacher Standards. Additionally, I will discuss about the importance of NCBTS for the teachers. And then I will make sure that you will memorize the 7 domains of NCBTS or the National Competency-Based Teacher Standards easily. So, listen carefully. The 4th domain is the curriculum. The curriculum domain refers to all elements of the teaching-learning process that work in convergence to help students understand the curricular goals and objectives and to attain high standards of learning defined in the curriculum. These elements include the teacher's knowledge of subject matter and the learning process, teaching learning approaches and activities. It also demonstrates the mastery of the subject and select teaching methods, learning activities, and materials appropriate to learnings and aligned to the objectives of the lesson. The 5th domain is all about the planning, assessing, and reporting. This domain refers to alignment of assessment and planning activities. Planning, assessing, and reporting focuses on the use of assessment data to plan and revise teaching learning plans. Second is the integration of assessment procedures in the plan and implementation of teaching learning activities. And the third one is the reporting of the learner's actual achievement and behavior. The community linkages domain refers to the ideal that classroom activities are meaningfully linked to the experiences and aspirations of the learners in their homes and communities. Thus, this domain focuses on the teacher's efforts directed at the strengthening the links between schools and communities to help in the attainment of the curricular goals. The 7th domain of the National Competency-Based Teacher Standards is the personal growth and professional development. This domain emphasizes the ideal that teachers value having a high personal regard for the teaching profession, concern for professional development, and continuous improvement as teachers. Who should use the NCBTS? Who should use the NCBTS? First and foremost is the teacher education institutions, Professional Regulation Commission, institutions and agencies that provide professional development or INSEAT, award-giving bodies. Next is Department of Education or DepEd, and then individual teachers in all public elementary and high schools. Why do we need the NCBTS or the National Competency-Based Teacher Standards? Why do we need the NCBTS? The NCBTS or the National Competency-Based Teacher Standards provides a single framework that shall define what effective teaching is in all aspects of a teacher's professional life and in all phases of teacher development. This will standardize the definition of what effective teaching is. Now, you already know what is the National Competency-Based Standards and its 7 domains. So that I will teach you on how to memorize it easily. So here is the technique about how to memorize the 7 domains of the National Competency-Based Teacher Standards. First domain is the social regard for learning. Again, social regard for learning. The second domain is, as a teacher, you will open the door to see the learning environment. Again, Learning environment is an domain number 2. The third domain is the diversity of the learners. The fourth domain is, as a teacher, when you will go to the diversity of learners, you will have the curriculum. The fourth domain is the curriculum. Next, the fifth domain is about the planning, assessing, and reporting. Again, the fifth domain is about the planning, assessing, and reporting. And then, the sixth domain is about the community linkage. The sixth domain is about community linkage. And lastly, the seventh domain is the personal growth and the professional development. That's it. So, I hope you learned about the National Competency-Based Standards for Teaching. That's it. So, I hope that you learned about the National Competency-Based Teacher Standards for this video. So, I thank you.